Jesus, true messenger of global peace and non-violence. Jesus' teachings imparts message of peace, love, forgiveness, humanity, and justice. He stressed to love your neighbor as yourself, which transcends race, religion, and culture, nationally as well as globally, forming the foundations of global peace and non-violence. Jesus believed forgive 70 times 7, which heals wounds, evils, cycles of hatred, and conflicts and opens up the path of reconciliation. Lord Jesus himself faced execution without resisting while demonstrating for forgiveness and spreading non-violence means even under extreme oppression. Jesus said humanity to spread to respond to hatred with mercy and to injustice with moral courage. Jesus guided love for enemies and turning away from revenge. Quote, do to others as you would have them to do to you, revealing a message of true peace which can exist only where justice, empathy, and respect prevail. Jesus discouraged the eye for an eye approach, encouraging mercy instead of punishment. Jesus believed, blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called children of God, highlighting the principles of peace and non-violence. This process requires active efforts, dialogue, understanding, and compassion. Jesus impressed all those who draw the sword would die by the sword to adopt peaceful negotiations. Jesus' philosophy of materialistic concern should not overshadow spiritual values, reflecting his guidance to focus on lasting values over the temporary worldly powers. Jesus told greatness comes from serving others, not from asserting power on them. Jesus believed Mother Earth as God's kingdom to encourage people to more just and compassionate society, describing God as his reign of justice, peace, and love. Lord Jesus presented himself as messenger of God. Core of Jesus' teaching can be love to God, have complete faith in God, and love to community over nation, and ultimately spreading over the globe for peace in context of several existing conflicts. Thanks for watching this video and request you to please like and share this unique message for spread of global peace and non-violence. Thanks.